My video guide will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called Albabat. Albabat is a ransomware that is able to damage the files essentially. Well, before the ransomware's attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, but very soon this ransomware does its malicious job. First of all, it also changes the desktop background, so you can clearly see the way it is called, Albabat Ransomware, and it also appends this abbt extension to the file names, so it is impossible to use the data. Then the ransomware tells its victims that they need to pay special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file restoration. Do not waste your money and do not pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove the ransomware with Combo Cleaner. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start researching the computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available. Click on Start a Scan button. Most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is certainly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or any other threats. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data. You can add certain folders that would always be protected. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. But in the description to this video you can find a special link which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data. I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover them, but if you pay attention to that link, you can find more detailed information on how to possibly restore your data, or at least some of your data. Also, if you click on upgrade to premium, you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner.